project that I'm working on involving potatoes actually has to do with a very special kind of potato from the group Fareja. They're very well known and popular in South America. So these Fareja potatoes are very unique because they have something that the potatoes that we currently enjoy here in the United States for the most part lack, and that's carotenoids. Papa criolla potatoes contain carotenoids, zeaxanthin, lutein. They're pigments that give the Papa criolla potatoes flesh a very deep yellow color. So not only is it strikingly beautiful, but it's also very healthful carotenoids for the human diet. About approximately 2 years ago, I was contacted by Dr. Kathy Haynes. She's a potato breeder with the USDA. And about 20 years ago, she actually got some of this germplasm from research collaborators out of South America. When she first got these Papa criolla potatoes to her own plots here in the United States, they were very small, about the size of peas. It was very hard to pull them off the vine. Through traditional selective breeding, over many, many years, she's increased the size. She's fixed breeding lines to have very deeply pigmented color. In other words, selecting for the higher zeaxanthin lutein selections. And she's also selected for better dormancy, a slightly improved tuber size. The Papa criolla potatoes are not as big as russet potatoes. A good-sized Papa criolla potato would be about the size of a golf ball. Dr. Haynes had gotten to the point that she was ready to take some of her breeding lines of these potato lines to other parts of the country. So she contacted me as well as one of our collaborators in Florida, and she wanted us to run trials to see which of these breeding lines would perform the best here in New Mexico conditions. So 2 years ago, we got about 400 different breeding lines that Dr. Haynes has developed, and we tested them here in trials at the Los Lunas Agricultural Science Center. This past season, in 2016, we actually had plots of some of the best, both here in Los Lunas as well as in Las Cruces at the Leyendecker Plant Science Research Center. From this data, we collected yield data, we collected color data, pigment, overall tuber quality, how pretty they are. So the data that we collected in Las Cruces and Los Lunas was sent back to Dr. Haynes. She combined this data with the results of the trials in Florida, and from that, out of the hundreds of different breeding lines she developed, she selected the best of the best. And now we're actually working on getting those set up and released for commercial use. So this is a very beautiful, healthful specialty potato, and I anticipate that particularly small-scale growers here in New Mexico are going to be very excited to have this additional offering when they're selling their produce at the local farmers market.
Eye on Research is a production of New Mexico State University.